Sometimes even the smallest foods can pack in some of the biggest nutrition. And today we're highlighting a category that might sometimes be overlooked, but one that you should absolutely remember. We're talking about seeds. They're good for your health, plus they make a great addition to so many meals. She's taking a small seed and planting a big idea when it comes to nutrition. Joining me is registered dietitian nutritionist Vicki Shanta-Ritelny. Vicki, there are so many seeds out there, and sometimes we forget to use them in our meals. But why are they so good for us?
They have so many phytocompounds. They also contain protein and fiber and healthy fats, which are good for our total body health.
There are so many seeds out there. What should we be looking for at the grocery store?
Flaxseed, which is also called linseed, they contain a specific plant compound called lignans, which is a phytoestrogen. It's a plant-based estrogen, which has been found to be beneficial for fending off certain cancers, such as breast cancer in women. Chia seed, high in calcium, it contains iron. It's a great seed. It expands in any liquid you put it in. Pumpkin seed has zinc, which is a great compound for immune health and support. The other one, hemp seed, it's a complete protein source, so it contains all the essential amino acids your body can't make.
To get all of these benefits that you mentioned, what's the serving size of seeds per day?
Every seed is a little different because their size and shape are a little different, but about 2 tablespoons a day of seeds is beneficial. There are tons of ways to use seeds. So I put them in my smoothies, add them to oatmeal, add them to yogurt, toss them into chili and baked goods.
Okay, perfect. So you have a great recipe to share with us today to get us started using seeds. What are we making?
I'm making chia pudding cups. All you do is take 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now chia seeds come in white and black, so you could buy either one. This happens to be a combo. And then you add 3/4 of a cup of milk. It can be any milk that you like. And then I add a little sweetener. I'm doing pure maple syrup, just a tablespoon. And then you just mix it. It's going to start to expand as we speak. And then set it aside if you want for 15 minutes and mix again. Or what I do is put it right in the fridge and it starts to thicken.
Now it's time for some delicious toppings.
What I love about chia pudding, it takes on the flavor of whatever you top it with. For one of these, I'm gonna do a ginger vanilla peach topping.
And this next one has got my favorite ingredient, chocolate.
Yes! This is a spicy mint chocolate chip. So what you do with this one is you add a little bit of cayenne, break up your mint, and dark chocolate chips, getting some antioxidants in that dark chocolate.
What about this last one, those apples?
Yes, so we're doing a cinnamon apple chia pudding. And then you can enjoy this for a breakfast, a dessert. It's so tasty.
I can't wait to try them all, Vicki. But as we're closing today, let's talk about seeds in general and what you want us to remember.
They're packed with not only flavor, but protein, fiber, healthy fats for heart health, brain health, and cell health. So they're really important to get in daily.
Vicki, thank you so much. I'm gonna try the chocolate one.
I'm gonna try the peach.
All right, let us know what your go-to seed is. Share it with us on social media. You can find us on Facebook at Living Healthy Chicago. All right, if you liked this video and you want more information about living a healthy life, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.